We're like, Game of Thrones.
Oh, this
Twins.
is like, yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what they say on Game of Thrones.
They do?
They totally do. Hey guys. I'm here with Erica from Hitchcock Madrona. We're going to do a We're gonna do a get ready with me video, but this is also like a first impressions.
Ooh, that's colorful.
Right? I haven't. This is why. I've never been interested in a palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills before.
Ask?
Because they're boring looking.
Really?
They're all fucking boring
But
looking.
like when Modern Renaissance came out 2 years ago, you weren't like, whoa, red. I never thought of putting red on my eyes.
No, because
like
I always used blush.
Yeah.
But this is colorful and looked pretty. So I picked this up and you were coming over because we're doing a video together. And I thought, let's do... I haven't opened this.
Fun. This looks really fun.
They didn't have testers out. I picked this up at Ulta. It was like a behind the counter deal. It was like
secret,
super top
exchange
secret.
the egg.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're going to open this up. I'll do some swatches. And then we're going to do our faces. And
Perfect.
We'll both use this because I don't care.
No,
you want to use
of course
this,
not.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we'll see what we can... Oh, this is actually... Feel that.
Oh, it's like a canvas beach bag.
Yeah.
I have to grab, sorry, one thing that I thought I brought. Sorry.
It is very
like
I like the color. I love this though.
Yeah.
Oh, that's that. Let's take that out.
Don't eat that.
So that's Sales.
Kind of chalky, but maybe that's how it's supposed to be.
I mean, because it's like that chalky kind of white color.
Wow.
Yacht.
Seychelles.
Seychelles.
It's a place, I think.
You're smarter than me, so you can say the name. Seychelles.
I'm not.
Palermo.
Yeah.
I love like a gunmetal color.
Yeah.
Seaside.
Almost leans lavender.
Inheritance.
Interesting.
Oh,
it's gold.
This one looks really chunky.
Yeah.
Looks
Purple.
Mediterranean. It's like purple with some. This looks
gold
like
reflex.
Yeah, and even some like.
That's pretty though.
Yeah. Estate. Cabana.
These are mattes.
Coastline.
I just ordered yoga pants that color.
And Bahamas. Oh, whoa. Okay, that's bright. And then that's Monte Carlo and Cannes. And then Palm is the last one, which is just brown.
Yeah,
but it's a nice one. It's a very kind of warm brown, but it's pretty. So it's not. And for spring,
you're selling me this, yeah.
That's not bad. That pink, man.
That pink.
That makes me think of, do you remember Whitney Houston's I Look in the I Want to Dance with Somebody video? She had like pink like here and here.
No, I need to look at that.
It was really cool. Do you use an eyeshadow base or primer?
I have very dry eyelids, so I love a paint pot. Nubile is my favorite one, but that was limited edition.
Okay.
I mean, someone's got to use the pink.
Are you going to use the pink?
I don't know.
So I'm being disgusting and I'm using my finger for a second here.
You always use your fingers. I love it. This is a nice... Oh.
That's a very nice brush. I like that brush.
You know me and my brushes.
Your elf brushes?
Hey,
if they work.
Well, I don't really know if they do, but... Pop.
I like how I was like excited that it didn't have just frosty shades and now all I'm using is just frosty shades. Is that your very expensive water?
Yes. I'm trying to use it up. I love Erica Jane.
See, I do too.
I love her. Squeak!
He's got a squeaky toy. I mean, I guess the bonus is that if you... I'm like using the same brush for all of this because you don't have to pick up a lot. Holy shit.
Is it?
Bright.
Wow. But do you feel like you're a child of the 80s or the 90s?
Oh, 80s, definitely.
Really? Yeah.
These are really soft. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
That's like... That's insane.
Yeah, there's some fallout happening.
Yeah, I mean, it's all under my eyes. Definitely do your eyeshadow first if you're me.
Pink eye.
I love that look.
So sexy.
It is so sexy.
Right.
I know exactly what you're saying.
It smells like crotch. I love it.
Yes.
And then this smells like a goddamn ashtray for the first 5 minutes.
It does.
And then sometimes you just want to smell like a dad.
You do. Oh, did you do your base first?
Yes.
Oh, just use a brush and some like extra foundation or something, and you can just like wipe it off. Major fallout.
Yeah. I'm totally screwed. All their models have 2 arms.
I
mean, a mouth.
Well, it's just where we're living right now. Stars and Rockets fixes everything. It fixes everything. This is one of my favorite brushes. This is a Joan Collins one.
Ooh.
Because it's like a blending brush, but it's
small.
Small. Super teeny.
Tiny dancer. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage.
Lopsided Botoxy.
What lip are we doing?
This is Tenderheart.
Ooh.
Clinique. So what do you think?
I like that. I like the theme. I think the names are kind of cute.
It's super springy.
Yeah.
The colors are.
The colors are unique.
It's you could do very beachy. There's some neutrals if you wanted to do just neutral with
yeah,
some blue.
You could do a neutral high.
Neutral with a teal is like straight up everyday normal summer.
I'm trying to think what person would buy this.
It's just,
I think a makeup aficionado collector.
Everybody, because everybody's going to be told to buy it.
Yeah.
Because they're going to see pictures of it on Instagram with these amazing swatches. I did it because it's the only ANASTASIA palette that I have ever seen that I was at all interested in. Yes.
Yeah.
It's the only one that
Are
I've
you
ever
gonna keep
seen
it?
that I liked. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Because I want to fuss with it a little more.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I mean, I'm not rating it, but
yeah.
It's not bad. Okay, that's it.
Thanks for watching.
This will be an interesting one to edit
I
because
know.
we did this forever. Thank you. I appreciate it. And let me know what you think. And I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Check out Hitchcock Madrona on YouTube. And
go to his Patreon.
Patreon.
I'll say it for you so you don't have to sound like...
Right
I know, that's why I'm like, you forgot to mention it.
I always forget. So, yes, if you like what you see, of course, don't forget, check me out on Patreon. There's multiple tier levels that you can sign up for if you want. And everything that you contribute helps to pay for content like what you are watching now. And keeps everything ad-free. Because I demonetized
that's good.
everything.
That's great.
So
go to Patreon.
Yes. And I'll include a link. And a link to you.
Perfect.
And a link to that in the thing. And also in a thing. And it'll be a thing.
It is a thing.